Hello again. So what's a color palette and why is it important? This term comes from the painter's jargon. When a painter is working with oils or watercolors, he or she decides which color will be used, and then prepares colors and sets them up on a little physical palette. So this helps with two things. One, it's just very convenient and very comfortable. And the second and most important one, it gives the finished artwork a cohesive look. If you choose each color randomly, you're probably going to end up with something that doesn't look right or have any harmony. So we have two ways to go from here. We can either create our own color palette, or we can just use an existing one. Let me bring my swatches panel here. You can see that there are lots of color palettes built into the Adobe Illustrator software. You can choose any of them and start working. And that's not all. I recommend you to check the Adobe Color CC webpage. Here you'll find a huge amount of color palettes to choose from. I personally recommend you that if you're just starting your creative career, go to that website and download some color palettes that you find appealing. It's an open resource that it's there for you to use, so it's okay to do it. And while you do it, you'll train your eye and your brain to see color combinations and understand the concept behind color palettes. Another great thing that you can do with this great resource is to create your own color palettes in a very easy and intuitive way. So be sure to try this too. Even if you're not quite sure what you're doing, you'll have some fun and you'll grasp some concepts just by playing with it.